The Stephen Foster State Park is located in northern Florida in the town of White Springs. When you arrive, you will pass the gatehouse, drive around all of the buildings to the craft village. That's where you check in. Once you check in, you'll drive back around the circle again to get to the campgrounds. Now let's take a tour. Now we're going through sites 1 through 15. Again, over there on the far left is 15, the open field. The first one is a group site, sites 1 and 3 together, so it would be a big one. So it's nice and big. Site 2 is a pull through. Site 3 is very nice. It's long. It's got a little bit of space off to the side. There was a pull through in the middle that I skipped because someone was there. Number 7, we really like number 7. Nice, big, and wide. There's pull through in the middle. There's number 8. We also like number 8, as well as number 9. We like number 10. They're all very similar. 11. Now number 12, right through the bushes there is the dome site, so we don't really like that one as much. Here's 13, it's a pull through with on the big open field. There's that middle pull through. Number 14 is very close to 13, but it's okay. It also has a big open field. And then number 15, big open field here. Backs onto that other loop that we were just on. Oop, I missed one. There's 18. Again, backs onto that loop. 19 is a pull through to the other side. 20 opens to the back to the other loop. 21 is a pull through. 22 is nice and quite private. 23 also good. 24 we like. All of these ones are good. 25 is similar. 26 is the same. There's a pathway into the forest. This is 27, a big pull through. They've got a big camper there and it's good. This is one of the pull-throughs in the middle. This is a big site, well, a nice size site, 28. Another pull-through, decently private. 29, we also think is good. 30 is that pull-through from the middle, it's a decent one. Bathhouse is right up here after 30 and 31, and this goes into loop with sites 1 through 15. We're at Stephen Foster Campground. This is site 31. That's long. That's 32. 34. 37, 8, 9. There's 37. 38. These all have bigger campers in them. They're fairly long, not overly wide. This is 41. It's a nice one. It's pretty private. 42. It's also pretty sort of private. When you come around this side, it kind of opens up to an open area. So the next loop, there's a drive-through, pull-through there. There's someone there. 43. It's pretty open. 44 is also open. This is 45. right in front of us, that is site number 15. Very open, but it doesn't face anybody, so it's great for playing games and having yard space.